How to make an animal blanket. If you need to, pause the video at any time. Step 1. Lay out 2 pieces of anti-pill fleece. Step 2. Cut the fabric to be the same size. You can choose the size based on the size of the cat or small animal. Step 3. Cut a 3x3 inch square out of each corner. Step 4. Place painter's tape on one side of the fabric 3 inches in. Step 5. Cut strips 1 inch wide and 3 inches long all along the side of the blanket. Step 6. Cut a tiny hole in the center of each fringe. Make sure it isn't too big. Step 7. Push both strips through the hole from front to back. Step 8. Remove the painter's tape from the blanket. Step 9. Repeat until you have all 4 sides done. Note, this blanket is for cats and small animals. Do not make it for a large animal. That's it!